Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson. I got my cameraman, also my video editor. That's my son Brady. We're down here in Potomac. Talked to my buddy Shaq yesterday, and he asked me about this auction house, so we're coming to take a look at it today. Let's go take a look. Here in beautiful Potomac. Got my man Shaquille here.
Hey.
Got his son behind him. We're gonna go look in this thing right here. See inside.
Nobody ever lived.
Alright, so there's definitely water damage in here.
Yeah, there's a water damage. I think it came from roof.
It looks more like something was spilled here than actually came through. This doesn't look sliding glass door to nowhere.
Oh, there is a rat. So you are right.
I thought there'd be a large.
Oh yeah, there's a nice dead mouse there. That's cute.